Hey guys, so we are on our way to go eat. I am visiting my family for the holidays with Michael. Say hi! And my sister, she's driving us. She's being a tour guide. Wow, you guys just are so dumb driving. Anyways, she drove all that just so you can be right here. And we're about to go meet up with some friends. My sister's best friend and her man, Jose. And yeah, we're gonna go eat. Why are you laughing, sister?
You didn't say my best friend's name.
Oh yeah, so we're gonna go visit my sister's best friend. Her name's Ada, and we've known her since we were like 2 years old. So she's kind of like family, you know. Anyways, I'll see you guys when we get to my friend's house. Oh, that's it.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Hey guys! Hey! I'm vlogging, guys. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi.
A few moments later.
So we are at hello, guys.
Well, they have those. These are new though. I'd offer you something. Let's take one of the Bro, this sauce though, Brennan? Yeah.
Moments later.
Hey, show your shirt. Just finished eating. Huh? Why are you laughing? Let's do. Huh? I know, I gotta believe in myself, guys. So we are finishing the day with some yummy food. Clearly it's so yummy, she still wants.
There's still some in my teeth.
So we are leaving Norm's. We don't cuss my channel, guys. We're family friendly.
Yeah, we're gonna have to edit out half your life.
I'm not a big cusser.
Once upon a time, I was a hoe. And I'm admitting it. I won't take it back because I did the shit. I was a hoe.
Don't listen to that. I know, apparently she was a hoe, guys. And then look at Brenda by herself.
Oh, you've never seen Brenda run into traffic? Brenda always run into
We are going
Jose's like,
home.
what?
It's so
Well,
cold.
it's not as bad as it sounds. It's not.
Tomorrow.
What's up? What that Betty
You got the Brodellos? Nice.
There's in
Ultra.
bottles. Ultra. The Ultra. Like,
We got some butterbeer in the making. So my sister has made some butterbeer for the Harry Potter themed sleepover.
Are you pulling up there already?
Look at this yumminess. It actually looks really good. Wait, let me look at the full.
I'm just gonna put it cushion.
Yeah.
Okay, I see you, bro.
And then this is your other slice.
Oh, awesome. Thank you.
Sapo verde, eres tú. Sapo verde.
It's in El Salvador.
The next morning.